Hi there, Nikhil from OpenPlay here. Today I'm just going to take you through a quick demo of our new site and all the functions and features it has to offer. So once you log in, the first view that you come to is the dashboard. This can show you various levels of information such as page views, revenue, user activity, and this is completely customizable for each member of staff. So for example, the CFO might want to see revenue over the last month, whereas the ground staff purely want to see which bookings are taking place today or this week. So the initial setup goes to this page. We found it's very intuitive and it only takes a couple of minutes to set up a new venue or session. And once you've set up one, you can use that template again and again, so you don't have to go through this process every single time. We think we have thought of every feature that your session or venue could possibly have. However, there is the option to add your own in. So this is the main calendar view, everything that's occurring at each venue or session. It's very quick and easy to jump to any date in the future simply by typing it in the box. You can also jump to any resource or any session that you may be running. We're now coming through to the front-end consumer-facing part of the site, which is actually currently being built as we speak, so will look very different to this. But the search gives you an idea of how quick and easy it is to find your venue, and also it will, if you allow it to, find your location and therefore show you all the venues nearby. We've built in a cart type facility as you'd find in Amazon, for example, so you can keep adding as many sessions or resources as you want. And once you're logged in, as we are here, your card can be stored. Our aim is for the consumer to be able to book any resource within 4 or 5 clicks, and we are very close to that now. Returning to the calendar side, you can see how the booking has already appeared. So it really does happen that instantly. This works a lot like Google Calendar, so you can simply drag one booking from one resource to another, and this may be, for example, if a court's being refurbished or one court is flooded. Furthermore, from within the system you can automatically send out a notification to that user so they're kept in the loop at all times. It's also just as easy to extend a booking simply by dragging down on the slot. So as much as we are trying to move everyone into the digital age, we do understand some people still prefer to call to make their booking. Within our system this is possible, and it is actually very easy to create an offline booking. This can also be turned into a block booking for however many weeks you wish to do so. Furthermore, it can be related back to a user if they're already in the system, or you can make them a member right there and then on the spot. For a payment option, we insist on integration with Stripe. One of the reasons for that is that you can actually take payments over the phone, something which is not possible with Sage Pay, for example, or PayPal. Alternatively, if someone doesn't have their card on them at the time, you can mark the booking as unpaid, and the system will then remind you to chase them up at a later date. Here you can get a list of all your bookings, and this makes it very easy to search within them. So for example, if someone calls up, has a problem with their booking, you can instantly find that. One unique aspect of the OpenPlay system is the ability to cross-sell and upsell any other products or services that you offer. This can be anything from another activity, or for example if you're running a football session, you may want to offer the official team top. Again, all the details of this add-on are completely customizable from the price to the image. You can also require any data from the person when they're purchasing this add-on. For example, if you're offering a football shirt, you can ask them their size. This add-on can be restricted to certain users, for example adults or juniors or students, and there can also be a limited number of these. So for example, if you only have 100 football shirts to sell, once they've all been paid for, they will no longer appear as an add-on. If we then go across to the consumer side again, you can see it's as simple as adding the add-on to your cart upon booking. Also, the add-ons are only available once someone books a resource or a session, and if they do decide to cancel that for any reason, then the add-on will be cancelled as well. Another reason why we insist on integration with Stripe as a payment solution is that it makes the whole process of issuing refunds far simpler. Unlike other payment solutions where you have to log into their system to issue a refund, with Stripe you can simply click a couple of buttons within the OpenPlay system and it will issue a refund automatically for a certain part or all of their booking. The new OpenPlay system also makes it very easy to offer a voucher or discount code to any one or large section of your users. This is quite as simple as just adding in the code name and how long you want it to run for and the amount you want it to take off. This can be either an exact amount or a percentage. Again, we're just going to go through to the front end just to show you how seamless the whole process is. One key feature we've looked to include for the new version of OpenPlay is the ability to manage your memberships. Simply by inputting their email address or a code you have given them, they get certain privilege, for example a certain pricing level or the ability to book before others. Also, any existing database you have of current users can be uploaded within a click of a button. Last but not least, we come to the new accounting feature. This provides a simple view of all the revenue or profits that's been made in the last week, month, year or quarter. It also simply displays any outstanding balances that are owed to yourselves. This makes the process of keeping on top of your finances extremely simple. So that's the functionality we have to demo up to date. And just to remind you, the new site will be out in March. Thank you very much for watching our video, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Goodbye.